Hey everyone, it's Michelle Cutie Pie. Today I will be unboxing my very first Jeffree Star Mystery Box. You guys, I am so excited to open this. I really love him. He's so iconic. This is the Valentines premium sized mystery box and it's so pretty. I ordered this the second it launched and it just got here today, Thursday the 7th. Let's get right into unboxing.
Let me weigh this box. My box weighs about 12.3 ounces.
And let's open this up.
The price point of this was $40. Plus shipping, it went about $52, I believe.
Here it is, you guys. It comes in a light pink tissue paper. I don't want to look. I like to keep this a surprise. I'm not peeking. This is what's inside. And let's look at these stuff one by one. I like to keep it a surprise and I will look at it as soon as I pick it up. So right now I feel the pop socket. This is super cute. It's red and the star is in white. This is so cute. I don't use pop sockets for my phone anymore, but my friend Monica is obsessed with Jeffree Star and I want to give this to her. I have a lip ammunition and this is in the color Jeffree's Girl. Ooh, this is cute. It's in a bullet packaging. Love it, and the stars are in rose gold. Let's open this up. Wow, it's like a Barbie pink, Barbie hot pink. That's beautiful. Just like the packaging, a little bit darker. That's so pretty. Okay, the third item in the box. Ooh, this is the newer liquid lipstick. This is Velour liquid lipstick in Can't Relate. Yes, I can't wait to see the packaging of this. I always see pictures, but now I have it for myself. Ooh, this is so pretty. There's glitter everywhere. Wow, this is so pretty. Let's open this up. Wow. This is nice. It's like a nude. I'm going to swatch this. Yes, it's so creamy. I'm definitely keeping this. I'm going to, you know what? Let me try this on.
I love the doe foot applicator. It gives you like a little bit of product in there.
Let's put it on. Ooh, this is my first time trying liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star on my lips. So nice. It's a matte liquid lipstick and it's a nude. This would be so pretty if I put a lip liner, but I forgot. But it looks pretty either way. My lips look so big right now. That looks so nice. Again, that was Can't Relate. But now I can relate how it feels like and looks like. Wow, that looks so beautiful. Okay, the next item is another Velour liquid lipstick in the color Watermelon Soda. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Whoa, or I don't know, it's so bright. Whoa. It's like a pinky, corally color. I don't really use super bright colors on my lips, but this is so pretty. Actually, I could use this for like a liquid liner for really cool eyeshadow looks. So this is Watermelon Soda. The next item is another Velour liquid lipstick and it's in the color Clout. Ooh, it's in that pretty packaging again. Whoa, this looks so cool. Let's open it up. This looks so pretty. I could use it for an eyeliner. I could use it for a cool alien look too. And the last item is a highlighter. I'm not gonna peek what color it is. Yes, it's Regina George. And this is the super pink one. You guys, I'm so excited. Wow, I'm definitely keeping this for myself. Yes. Yes, pink highlighter. This is a intense Barbie pink, Jeffree Star pink. I'm gonna add that on my cheeks right now because I really want to try it. Let me swatch it out of the star. Let me put that on my hand. It's like a subtle pink.
I'm gonna take this Luxie 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush, and I'm gonna lightly add some on this brush. Ooh, that's pretty.
This is so pretty. Wow, this unboxing was so fun. I loved opening everything. Let me review what I got again. I got the Jeffree Star Pop Socket. I got the Can't Relate Velour Liquid Lipstick, and I'm wearing that right now. I'm not even pouting my lips, but it looks like I'm pouting my lips. Love this. Love that so much. Jeffree's Girl Liquid Lipstick in the very pink color. Another velour liquid lipstick in Watermelon Soda. Another velour liquid lipstick in the color Clout. And last but not least, my very favorite, Skin Frost in Regina George.
I love this Valentine's box. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to have even more Jeffree Star products. I do have the flamethrower and I'm royalty. And I have the brushes and the sponges coming soon.
I can't wait. I love his packaging. I love watching his videos. Jeffree Star is like the best. For me, he's #1. So excited to have more of his products. I can't wait to buy more mystery boxes in the future. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time.